TV star ang kontrobersyal na buhay ni Maria Isabel Lopez. Silipin sa Sine Intriga.
Painit ang mga eksena sa Survivor Philippines Celebrity Doubles ngayong gabi. Kilalanin naman natin ang isa sa mga castaways in focus sa aming Sine Intriga tonight. Ang palaban na mommy at dating beauty queen Maria Isabel Lopez.
Sa dami ba naman ng hirap na pinagdaanan ko, wala nang mahirap sa akin.
Maria Isabel Lopez. It's never easy to be like her.
Bravo.
Ang kanyang payak sa simula.
Born in Cagayan de Oro, raised in Manila, balik-balik girl, in other words, matapang, survivor. I was raised poor. Ang parents ko kasi separated, so may ibang family, kaya ang naiiwan sa amin crumbs. Deprived, like, for example, nung maliit pa ako, when we go to church, paglabas namin ng simbahan, kumakalam laging sigura ako. So nakikita ko yung mga tinda outside the church. Gusto kong humingi na, Mommy, bili mo ko niyan. But, parang we were programmed not to ask.
Na nagturo sa kanyang maging matapang.
Di ba siguro product na rin niya nung maliit ka, parang tahimik ka lang, hindi ka expressive. Well, it's freedom time. Eto na ako ngayon. Di ba? It's about time naman na maka-experience ka ng comfort. Tapos, yung ugali ko pa na pag meron akong gusto, talagang hindi ako titigil hanggat di ko makuha. Kung ma-decline man ako, ma-disappoint, at least not without a good fight.
This tough girl from Balik-Balik first dreamed high. Bilang isang beauty queen, gumawa siya ng ingay.
My God, it's been years ago. Siyempre, nire-respeto natin si Miss Rita Gomez dahil alam mo naman na liberated din yun, ang pananaw niya at saka mataray din yun. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa akin. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Kainitan ni Techi Agbayani noon. So, since kainitan ng Playboy issue ni Techi, they asked me, if they will to model for Playboy, will you take it? I said, yes. Ganon. What about virginity? Do you believe in premarital sex? Siguro, kung hindi ganon kaliberal ang mga judges, I don't think I would have made it. Well, I was not really disqualified or dethroned, but they actually offered me and told me that I should resign. Sabi ko, bakit ako mag-resign? Binigay sa akin to ng judges. Hindi ko binili tong title na to.
Then, the rejection.
Alam mo na, may mga pains na kasama Alam mo na rejected ka, alam mo na you're not wanted, and even decades after that, even the last incident a few years ago sa Araneta, you still feel the rejection na hindi ka accepted.
At papangha siyang humakbang patung showbiz. A bold movie star was born.
So I'm doing this for the money. Oo, malinaw naman, hindi naman ako naging plastic. It's all for the money. Kasi nag-umpisa naman ako, I wasn't really a very good actress. And to be pitted with award-winning talents like Hilda Coronel, Vilma Santos, ang alam ko lang is I have the personality, I have the looks, at malakas ang loob ko. Kaya hindi naman kasi ako yung artista na bagong na-discover, naging excited. Kumaga, I had an education. Yun kasi ang edge ko sa ibang sexy stars na na-discover nung panahon ko. I was a college graduate at sa UP ako graduate. Kaya kumbaga, may sarili na akong pag-iisip. Hindi ako madaling lokohin. Ay, kumbaga, mahirap na exploit. Kasi alam mo naman ako nag-iisip. Thinking actress
Isang babaeng nagmahal at nabigo.
So I had to raise a family, I had kids. Well, ako naman kasi rejected ka. Alam mo na you're not wanted. And even decades after that, even the last incident a few years ago sa Araneta, you still feel the rejection na hindi ka accepted.
At papangha siyang humakbang patung showbiz. A bold movie star was born.
So I'm doing this for the money. Oo, malinaw naman, hindi naman ako naging plastic. It's all for the money. Kasi nag-umpisa naman ako, I wasn't really a very good actress. And to be pitted with award-winning talents like Hilda Coronel, Vilma Santos, ang alam ko lang is I have the personality, I have the looks, at malakas ang loob ko. Kaya hindi naman kasi ako yung artista na bagong na-discover, naging excited. Kumaga, I had an education. Yun kasi ang edge ko sa ibang sexy stars na na-discover nung panahon ko. I was a college graduate at sa UP ako graduate. Kaya kumbaga, may sarili na akong pag-iisip. Hindi ako madaling lokohin. Ay, kumbaga, mahirap na exploit. Kasi alam mo naman ako nag-iisip. Thinking actress
Isang babaeng nagmahal at nabigo.
So I had to raise a family, I had kids. Well, ako naman kasi, I'm very happy and I'm engaged to be married again. It was kind of hard kasi galing, kung mga wounded animal ka, scarred ka pa from a past relationship. Tapos, ayun, you met another guy.
Sino siya?
He's an American from Chicago. His name is Wade Roland. He's a commodities trader from the Chicago Board of Trade. And he's actually retired. So, he's coming here this December.
But once an actress, always an actress.
Sinungaling ka lang yun! Totoo po yung mana!
Tapos nung bumalik ako, nakita ko mother roles na ako. Kung baga graduate na ako, hindi na ako nagpapasexy. Happy naman ako na na-evolve ko yung sarili ko. So kung baga, hindi ko rin na-limit yung sarili ko. I'll be celebrating my 30 years na in the industry and I'm still very much around.
Na muling nabuhay ng Kinatay.
Nagkaroon ako ng revival sa movie na Kinatay, kung saan ako nagkaroon ng award, nagkaroon ako ng recognition sa ibang parts of the world. Doon ako na-recognize as an actress.
Alam naman niya hindi siya yung original na choice for the film, no? When her name was suggested, nung sabi ko, ay, yun, nakita ko na siya na yan. I'm proud kasi nagkatrabaho kami and nakilala ko siya at nagkaroon siya ng parang second coming, no? Pero this time mas respectable yung tingin sa kanya dahil sa mga pelikulang ginagawa niya. Masayang tao kasi siya eh. Natatawa kami. Actually, nag-shooting kami nga. Ito yung Pray, no? Kasi maputik yung daan, maputik yung ano. So, ang hirap paglakad at bundok, pababa sa bundok. So, nadudulas-dulas sa mga tao. Nakita ko siya, si Sir Ben, na maharating siya sa bundok. Nakakabayo siyang puti. Sabi ko, ano ito ibang pelikula?
At her best in Cannes.
Pag nandun ka sa Cannes Film Festival, kasakay ka sa car number 1, 2, 3. Sabi ko, bakit ako nakasakay sa car number 6? Gusto ko sa car number 1 ako para pagbaba ko sa red carpet, kakaway, unang-una akong kakaway. Di sige, pumayag na lang ako kasi pasaway naman ako talaga. Nasa car number 6, yung pala, pagbaba mo, pagbukas ng car, live on French television! Kami dalawa ni Brillante. Eh, syempre, ang lola mo magaling mag-English, articulate, kaya syempre. Akin ko naramdaman, artista ako, naglalakad ako by the beach. Pinapa-stop ako para kunan ako ng picture.
And at her worst.
Pero ito ang nakakaloka, di ba? Naka-red gown ako on the red carpet. Nung lumabas yung mga photos namin sa internet, makikita mo yung mga best and worst dress at the Cannes. Aba! Nakalagay si Maria Isabel Lopez, worst dress at the Cannes. Akalain mo, worst dress at the Cannes, pero natuwa ako, alam mo bakit? Katabi ko si Paris Hilton, worst dress din siya! Sabi ko, fabulous, tabi kami ni Paris Hilton.
Maria Isabel Lopez speaks some more.
Mato-mato sa langit, ang tamaan, magmadagalit, nagsasabi lang ng katotohanan. Lahat ng tao, dumarating sa buhay, ang chance, ang pagkakataon. It's how you handle that break. During the 80s, I did this film, Seal It, with Elwood Perez, na I considered it my worst film, na ang sama-sama ng reviews.
Delikado ka dito. Bakit ako maniniwala sa'yo?
Ngayon, fast forward tayo sa year 2010. Seal It was marketed in the United Kingdom under Daughters of Eve. Oh my God, ang reviews noon, it was like a Brian De Palma classic. Sabi nila, the film was very much ahead of its time. So what was worse during the 80s was considered a classic. Ito naman sa generation yun. Sinong bold star? Si Mara. I've always been open to her. Wala akong tinago sa kanya. One time, umuwi dito, umiiyak. Sabi ko, why? Ma, sabi ng classmate ko, bold star ka daw. Sabi ko, Mara, di ba alam mo naman yun? Yeah. So, Mara, you just accept na it's just work, sabi ko. It doesn't mean na kung bold star ako, bold star din ako sa tunay na buhay. Sabi ko, ang mama mo, hindi nag-anak sa iba-ibang lalaki. Nag-anak lang ako sa papa mo whom I'm married to. Totoo yun. So, sino ngayon ang bold star in real life?
So how do you survive Maria Isabel Lopez? Simple lang.
Take it or leave it. What we see is what you get.